Here they come. Whoa, bro.
Sí. De 5.
¿Lo manejaste? ¿Te gustó?
Bueno,
para que le bajen una rebaja y todo.
Si se puede el dinero ahora.
No.
O sea, no sé cómo ustedes lo quieren hacer. Yo no.
Look at the car, guys. It's a little dinged up over here, but that's not easy, but it's not that bad. Not bad.
What's up, guys? So today's the day we're actually gonna go over there right now and go cop the Mustang. I'm gonna bring you guys with me just so you guys see and enjoy the experience. I'm actually really excited with this. It's gonna be my first car, and expect some new content with that car. You guys are gonna have a second channel, so make sure you go follow up on that. I'm still deciding on the name, so just maybe leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to use them. See you there.
Yeah, so basically, we're gonna get Eddie's first car. It's crazy to say that his first car is gonna be something actually insane, something that people work for a lot. But he's worked his ass off to get this car, so I'm pretty proud. I'm proud of him for the amount of dedication and time he's put into it. So he deserves his car.
Too much hours, man.
Yeah. Anyway, you guys probably have already seen it from the beginning of the video, because the thing is, I'm gonna edit this in a way so they already saw the clips of yesterday. So yesterday we went to check it out. As you guys know, it's an 01 Cobra, black 01 Cobra, and we went to check it out. And we didn't buy it yesterday or bring it home because the guy had some trouble with the title and stuff. But he has a title. We'll go. He's ready to sell it, so we're on our way right now to get it before he changes his mind, because he's selling it for a really good deal. And we'll drive it back, and well, that'll be it. It'll be his first car.
Up, man.
I'll
I'm
show
really
you.
excited to drive it back, man.
It's a fucking 4-valve, dude.
It's a 4-valve. I saw the engine. I saw a little ding on the side. I was like, all right, just fuck it, pop the hood. It's a 4-valve, so we're gonna take the deal.
Fuck it. Anyway, all right. So road trip starts now.
Chris is going in there.
I saw. We the top 10, UGK the major, way not play it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock hit. Bands on road, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? And he's taking over and we
All you need is just a rickshaw.
Where's the bump?
It's on the other side. It's a little scratched up though, but it's, you know, I think for a first car, it's more than enough. First car. I think there's people watching this video that would die. Oh, hello. Check the back of this shit. Alright.
See, like the seats, I'm gonna restore them. I don't want to change them because
it's matching numbers. It's a
perfect.
It's a real Cobra.
All right, well, I'm gonna call Lucas and tell him, yeah, it's a rebuilt title, because he wanted to know that.
Yeah, other than chipping and like a little bump.
I think the rebuilt title
Send
is
him
just the
the
back
VIN.
part of the
Send him the
car.
VIN. Tell him the VIN. All right, hold on. Check it out, guys. This is the car. I know you guys already saw it yesterday,
So I'm here with the car right now.
but show off. Now that car is officially ours. Has some minor stuff like this, you know, some body paint, some body work needs to be done. But dude, to be honest, for a 01 Cobra, a 4-valve, it's not bad. I fucking love it. I think it's great. Seats, you know, a little clapped, but honestly, apart from that, dude, it's just a little dirty. That's it. Interior is nice. It smells like Steph's car. I swear to God.
Like exhaust type? Or?
Interior, no, just like the leather.
Oh, I mean, yeah.
Cause it's the same, yeah. Super sick though. The clutch is super soft, and this, yeah. I'll show you right now. The clutch is soft and the shifter is real, but like the shifter's like real long, bro. This is semi-truck. Yeah, semi-truck shit, bro. Oh god.
1FA.
Yeah.
FP4.
Yeah.
7V8. No, V.
It's a lot harder compared to the Honda.
Yeah, yeah.
F2.
The shifter though, semi-truck,
3,
dude.
4, 5.
Mustang.
Yeah.
5.2. Yeah, that's it.
It's nice though, bro.
It's
not
matching
bad.
everything with the title, so it's not a fake.
It's not bad, no. It's not bad. This is the dent. This is the dent over here, guys. It has, you know, a little dent here. Did you open the trunk yet? Open the trunk.
Yeah,
I haven't opened the trunk yet. Yeah, the paint's fading a little bit here. Yeah. Dude, paint and bodywork. That's what this car needs, really.
Well, the trunk is perfect.
And once you
check the bottom of it.
do that,
It has hydraulic.
it comes with a spare tire and
It has
everything.
spare tires. Oh,
and
nothing's
shit,
rusted.
it comes with a spare brakes
spare brakes
too.
as well.
The fuck? Let me
I don't see any rust.
Oh, this shit's so hard. I mean, let's just cross our fingers, hope there's no rust on there. I know it's stupid to say, but I mean,
Yeah.
fuck it.
How much owners?
Check out the motor. This is what we really care about. Oh yeah, this is all we really care about right now. It's so perfect, dude.
Look at this engine, bro.
Holy shit, bro.
Yeah, bro, I was telling you, that shit's huge.
It's nice, dude. It's actually really good. I'm actually really happy with this.
The intake's...
So, Eddie,
Yeah?
title in hand, 2 grand above for my 2 valve.
Yeah, you're funny. You can get that one over there.
Yeah, fuck yeah, brother. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, this is it. Let's go count some money, sign some titles, and then we'll start driving this thing, bro. I want to see if I can drive it around the parking lot once at least before we go.
What do you think about it?
I mean, it's nice. It needs some work, you know, but I mean, it's nice though. It feels good. It's a fucking 4 valve, so. 4 valve. So you expect... Nah.
Well, whip it around here real quick. Try it out. Solid?
Yeah, I mean, it feels so different.
Let me try it.
So different, dude. Alright. I thought the car was a lot more, I want to say what, violent? It's a lot more tame than I thought. Are we, can I hop in? We're leaving out, right?
I'm gonna give it a little test drive.
Got it, bro. You have the e-brake on, don't you?
Oh, the e-brake's on?
Huh?
Oh shit, yeah, the e-brake's on.
Fucking idiot, bro. Fucking idiot. The first stall, he already stalled it. Wow, dude. Wow, that is insane. That is so loud. Pops like crazy. No, cop. This
is like the worst moment to be in front of a cop.
Literally, bro. Literally, bro. On 167, hit left.
I'm shifting so early, bro.
Paramount security.
Hello.
Worst timing ever.
I'm so glad he did not give a fuck though. Dude, I'm literally standing with no seatbelt on. No nothing, just staying on my mic.
If I was that cop, I'd turn on my light for like a quick second just to make it shit.
Yeah, just be like, take it easy, bud.
Take it easy, bud.
I know you got that Cobra in there, but take it easy.
We got that V6 right now.
Oh God, I'll get
Dude,
Ryan.
got that V6 right
I'll
now.
get Ryan right now.
Oh shit, dude. Crazy.
Bro.
Well, wait
Oh
till
my
we get on
God,
the highway.
I actually love this, bro. That is even, bro, I'm just trying to drive normal right now, and this is how loud it is. Where are you going, buddy? How do you go straight?
Bro, it's a fucking straight pipe for a reason. This is the consequences with the straight
We
pipe
have to
life.
pass over then. We have to pass over one.
Yes.
A few moments later.
Holy shit.
Holy fuck.
All that flame? Give me a downshift. Oh my God.
Holy fuck.
I'm sorry, I angled the camera like to the sky. I was just like, my face was like this the whole time. Holy shit.
Holy shit.
That's not,
Yo, what do you think, man? What do you think, man?
that's not even
Neck
funny.
breaker,
That's not-
bro.
It's a neck breaker, bro. This is loud as fuck. I'm so happy right now.
That's
Yo,
not
the
even-
fucking gas gauge just dropped.
Holy shit,
Immediately.
bro.
I just looked at it and just went like this.
Oh my God.
Fuck me. Where are we going? Just straight on this one?
Straight. Alright, we are almost home. Oh my God, bro. Yeah. Yo, actually chill, bro.
What are you gonna do?
Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, bro. Fuck.
I definitely don't rev in front of him.
Fuck.
Slowly get to 50 on this little road right here. You want?
To what?
50% off.
No.
Never mind.
I'm gonna delete.
Oh, it's sexy as fuck, bro. It's so good,
What are you
bro.
gonna do? Actually, call Lucas.
So good, dude.
Bro, it literally, it's so fucking clean, bro.
Literally, bro. Holy shit. I like how it looks. It looks really mean.
Full
I feel like it's
exhaust.
smaller than my car. It's lower,
It's
isn't
lower,
it?
yeah, it's lower.
Or am I just used to my car being on jack
I think
stands?
it's a little stiffer.
It's a bit
Or-
lower, and it
or-
feels.
yeah.
Lucas, what are you doing?
Waiting for my mom to fucking come into my room like that.
Why do you have to wait for her to come in the room? That's weird.
What do you mean? She's outside like fucking cleaning shit. I'm not gonna interrupt her.
I guess.
What happened?
What?
What happened?
That we're
We're
home.
here.
Yeah, we're-
I gotta, yo, Lucas, I gotta go to work in like a minute, but
shit-
fucking insane, bro. Well then. Well then. That's the Mustang, guys. Hit the outro, bro.
So, guys, that's the Mustang right there.
Just
Guys.
be no, but chill out, bro. The hell?
See that? It's a snake.
We didn't take a windshield.
We'll be fine. Matter of fact, here, let me get the full
Quick,
flex.
quick.
For those people that, you know,
Yo, chill out,
that
bro.
really hate it.
There was somebody saying that this is not an actual SVT and shit, but
Don't
yeah,
actually believe in the
It's
Cobra
right here.
power.
yeah, I can't grab it.
Right there.
Yo, tell him
Yeah.
I'm gonna send him the whole like VIN whatever.
We
thing.
got it right
Yeah.
there.
He wants it.
I'm pretty sure it's a Cobra.
I think that's a 4-valve.
Cobra, he's saying that it comes supercharged. They don't come supercharged.
This was an engine swap.
They come with 6 speeds. They don't come with 6 speeds.
Yeah, that's a supercharger.
That's a supercharger
He's
right there, buddy.
kind of an idiot. Anyway, yo,
It is a Cobra.
Outro.
The VIN
hit the outro.
How's the outro?
Oh my God, just do something.
What the blue one? Say it again.
All right, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Be sure to check out my new YouTube channel. I'm gonna be making one, something to do with an SVT name. Like I said, drop it in the comments and I'll make a new YouTube channel with that name. And like always, stay tuned for Retro 2V. His
Doing
bus
a transition.
his bus is getting revived right now. So
About to get
that'll
got by
be up
this
soon.
thing.
And soon, we'll be like the dynamic duo, black and white Mustang. We'll be cruising up and down, doing rollers, and probably running a few races. So like we said, we'll see you guys on the next one.
Peace.
No fucking way you just fucking.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah. Hey. Back in that